I want to take my cats traveling in the van, but first they need to get comfortable being outside, so I decided to build them a catio. I believe the catio is done. I've always had this weird space on my deck. What I'm going to do is build a catio. I'll have the cats come out here and they'll enter in, and you can already see I've started the frame. I bought these Euro panels, got them on clearance, and I'll be able to cut them to the length that I need. First, I built out the wooden frame using 2x2 common boards. Basic frame is built. I also bought corrugated metal sheeting for the roof. I don't know if you can tell from the video how hazy it is, but we have the wildfire smoke from up at the Boundary Waters has come to Minneapolis, and I really shouldn't be working out here. It's not healthy. It's going to get worse over the weekend, but I just wanted to come out and do a little bit of work versus sitting inside. So they're just sitting up there. I have to screw them on and I have to file those edges, get that rough stuff off the edges, but I like it. It looks great. Next, I stained the wooden frame to protect it from the element, and I used the same color that matched my deck. I think right down in here is where we're going to put the pet door, which is this, somewhere right in there, because the catio is right outside there. I traced out the hole using the catio template supplied. Then I drilled a starter hole. Next, I cut the drywall back by using a utility knife and scoring lines around the edge until each piece snapped off. So I just kind of burrowed a hole, and there is the outside. This is the piece that I bought for the outside. I'm going to cut this square out, but if you look at it from the side, it fits my siding profile perfectly. And I am going to use my hole saw, but I'm just going to go through with the tip. All right, we got daylight. I'll go out and see where that came through. Well, there it is. There is our hole right there. So let's see then. So this would be like that. Oh my God, that's just completely perfect. Next, I traced out the hole positioning, and I used my cutoff tool to cut through the metal siding. It is a nice cool morning, and I'm going to get a second coat of paint on the catio before we put the walls up, because it'll be a lot harder to paint once they're up. But I'm going to knock that out real quick while I've got about an hour free. Well, that second coat made a world of difference. Next, I screwed on the roof panels. Got the roof on. I have to buy one additional panel. We've got a gap here, so I'll have to buy one more strip and finish that off. But I'm going to put this panel on next, because I'm going to have to cut some of these. And if I get one up, then I can do the measurement to see how much, I need to cut, make it fit. I looked up information about this Euro panel fence part using AI, and I found these brackets that are exactly the width, I guess, of the posts. So I'm going to use those to put that on. That'll look really nice, and they'll hold really well, and the black will look great. On they go. I think what I'm going to do is sketch a pattern of a cat in here and cut it out, so it just adds a little bit of fun to the catio. And then if I like the design that I create here, I'll transfer it into the van for my cat litter box that I have to build in the van. So it'll be a little cat that they can walk through and get to their litter box, or in this case, the catio. It's a fat cat, but I think it'll work. Let's start cutting this out. There we go. Let's get that stained. Now I got to go get into my grubbies so that I can put a coat of stain on that. Every time I work in my good clothes, I just ruin them. I mean, not that these are great clothes, but you know, they don't have any stains on them. So I'm gonna go put my grubbies on, which is what most of my videos are in. I'm sorry, but when I'm working, you know, I don't want to ruin my good things and I make a mess. So that's it. That's what we're doing. I'll be right back and we'll get to staining. Second coat is on. Looks good. Jigsaw time. Jigsaw time. We're on the home stretch now. Last night I finished the install of this. It's in solid. It's got a locking device. Everything's sealed up in there. It's time for chicken wire. Got my roll. Just got it laid out here and I'm gonna cut it now and then we'll get a strip right up there. Chicken wire's on. That looks good. I believe the Catio is done. It snugs right up to the house. The fun little cat shape so they can get in and out. We got our mesh across the top and in the back and all the little corners. We got our little bed. We got our little steps and our ladder. Everything's covered up. Got a latch on the door. And there it is. Nice. Hopefully they enjoy it. Sandy went out. Let's see if baby will go out. Go, baby. Go out there, baby. Go outside, baby. Oh, there's Sandy. There's Sandy. Look how Sandy's doing it. Sandy barely fits. Good boy, Sandy. Baby, it's your turn. Sandy's been in and out about 6 times. Baby still hasn't gone out. Hilarious. It took way too long, but finally. And she's out. They've been loving it ever since. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to follow along.